All right, let's do another home tour. This one is 1107 West 2nd Street. Now we are in Elk City, Oklahoma. Guys, this is an older house. It has a ton of character. I love it. We have original hardwood floors, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 2 living rooms, basement. It's almost 2,000 square feet. And the neighbor next door, guys, when you buy a house, you want to make sure your neighbors have a lot of pride in their property. And a fun fact, I sold him this house, him and his fiance, like a year and a half ago, maybe 2 years ago. But anyway, they have torn up their entire yard, putting a sprinkler system in, going to sod it and put up a new fence. So I love to see people working on houses. And he was so nice and texted me to tell me what's going on. And he's also our plumber and replumbed this entire house for us. And that meant he took out all of the old cast iron plumbing. Anyway, so he's a great resource to have right next door if you buy this house. But let's go inside and take a look. Okay, here we are inside. So again, this one has 2 living areas, all new windows in this house. Almost everything's been replaced, but we did keep the original hardwood floors in this house, a lot of the interior doors, and we kept the kitchen cabinets because they were solid wood. That's so rare now. But here's your view as soon as you walk in. A ton of retexturing went on in this house. But it hasn't needed it. It's an older home. So it's nice and bright. You have a dining room here. And then as you go to the left, you have the 2 guest bedrooms. Straight ahead is the primary. And then we're gonna head this way first to the kitchen. So new tile. What do y'all tell me what you think of this tile? I love it. Here is the kitchen. If you've watched other videos, green is hot, hot, hot. I have probably almost the same color of green in our house. We love it. This one does have a gas stove as well, stainless steel appliances, butcher block countertops with your subway tile backsplash. And a carport, here's your view over the sink to your carport. Refrigerator would go here. And then, I mean, there's so many options. You could add some shelving here. There's all kinds of stuff you could do here. If this was my house, I'd go wild. But I have to draw the line when we're redoing one. Last minute, we decided to throw in a little table here, or you could do a bench, coat hooks, because you're coming in right off here. Then you have a den. What's nice about this, you could also close this room off easily and make it a 4th bedroom because you have all of your closet space here. And this room has a mini split. This is the only room in the house that has carpet. And then this goes straight back into the laundry room and basement. So stormy nights, you have a place to go. I'm not gonna take you down in the basement, but that's it. It is a good sized basement and it is dry. Here is the laundry room. There is a ton of storage in this laundry room. Look at all this that goes all the way to the ceiling. Washer and dryer hookups here. And then you have more storage over here. Again, nice and bright, painted concrete floor. And then your door, you have 2 doors that go to the backyard, this being one of them. So, and then this is one of the original doors, tinted glass. So you can close this off while you're doing laundry or whatever. But here's another view of the den. Again, nice and bright. I don't even have a light on in this room. View to the backyard, into the kitchen, and the dining room. Love the arches. We added these arches to mimic the arches on the outside of the house. So I'll show you that in a minute. Okay, this way takes you to the primary. This primary is huge, and look at these floors. Like I said, these are the original hardwood floors. Big bedroom. Lots of windows in this house. This room has 4 windows and 2 closets. So big room. Full bathroom in here. Look at this tile. I love a penny tile. Nice deep tub. Tile goes all the way to the ceiling. Here's your second closet in here. Vanity with double sinks. And a lot of room in here. You could put a cabinet over here if you wanted to for linen storage, whatever. Great space. But again, look how big this room is. Videos are really hard to tell too. So, if you go online or if you want to text or call me, I can send you a floor plan that has the dimensions of all the rooms. So that's pretty cool. Our photographer does that. Kind of pan around again. So then we go back this way and we have our two bedrooms and another bathroom. So this front bedroom, again, lots of windows, 4 windows in here. Good sized room. And here, we obviously incorporated that green on these doors. These were the original doors to the house. This bathroom, we doubled in size. Look at that tile, isn't that fun? So we changed the footprint on this. Turned out great. Same vanity that's in the primary, we just did a single sink. Same bathtub, so it's a nice deep tub. And then the third bedroom, this one is a little bit smaller than the other one, but still a good sized guest bedroom. And this one has 2 windows. The outside also has all new siding. And look, you have old storage here. Like we kept a lot of that look, but tons of space. Great space. Let's go in the backyard. We've had a lot of rain. We've got grass coming in. Look at, oh, so these vines, those come back every year. I think those are trumpet vines. Again, a new fence is going up on this side. Elk City has alleys and our dumpsters are in the back of the homes in the alley. So we've got 2 dumpsters right here. So you don't have to pull your trash cans to the front of the house. So again, all new siding, paint. You have a metal roof. Nice tree. So we left this pole thinking you could string some lights up, but a nice big concrete patio. And this door was added. There was not originally a door here. And this is 1107 West 2nd Street. This is centrally located in Elk City. Light fixtures. I'm gonna show you these arches on the front. So we left a lot of the original detail. Aren't those cute? And this is like a lot and a half. It's a good size. Crepe myrtles coming in. That comes back every year. Carport. If you'd like to see this in person or if you have any other questions about it, I'd love to show it to you. Give me a call, 580-821-4804. Thank you.